In this lesson, we're going to look at multiplying by the number 8. The first thing we want to look at is when we're multiplying by 8, we can think about breaking that down into times 2 and times 4, because 2 times 4 is 8. And we know that the strategy for multiplying by 2 is double. And we know that the strategy for multiplying by 4 is double, double. So what we can do is to multiply by 8, we're going to double, double, double the other factor. The strategy for multiplying by 8 is double, double, double the other factor. And I like to mark it as D, 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 so that's not diners, drive-ins, and dives. That's double, double, double. Here's our first example. We are going to look at 8 times 5. And if we're using 8 as our, as the boss, we're going to take the other factor, which is 5. And we're going to start with it. Now the first thing I do is double that 5. 5 doubled is 10. Then I double the 10. 10 doubled is 20. Then I double one more time. 20 doubled is 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. So when we're looking at that, really we're looking at the first time is double, then double again, then double a third time. Double, double, double. Here we're going to look at 7 times 8. And since 8 is the boss, we're going to take the 7. It tells the 7, double, double, double yourself. 7 doubled is 14. That's the first double. 14 doubled is 28. That's the second double. And then 28 doubled is 56. If you can't do that part in your head, then you could come over to the side and add 28 plus 28. So I have double, double, double. So 7 times 8 is 56. And if you're thinking about it, I'm starting with 7. If I double it, it's multiplying by 2. If I double it, that's multiplying by 4. And then if I double, 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 that's multiplying by 8. There's another way to calculate and record, and I think that this works better for some students. So let's take a look. If I'm doing 8 times 6, 8's the boss, so I'm going to double, double, double the 6. So I start by doing 6 plus 6 and mark a D out to the side. 6 plus 6 is 12. Then I'm going to double the 12, and I'm just going to stack it right up here. Mark my next D. 12 plus 12 is 24. Then I'm going to double the third time, and 24 plus 24 is 48. Since I have my 3 D's, I know that I'm finished. So 8 times 6 is 48. If I'm doing 9 times 8, I know that 8's the boss, so I'm going to double, double that 9. 9 plus 9, that's the first double, equals 18. 18 plus 18, that's the second double, is 36. 36 plus 36, that's the third double, is 72. since I have my 3 doubles, I know my final answer is 72. Being sure to record over on the side is what will make sure that you get the correct answer. Oftentimes I see students who stop too early and they've only multiplied by 4, and sometimes students go too far and then they've ended up doubling again and multiplying by 16. So, in summary, the strategy for multiplying by 8 is double, 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 double.